Unveiling the secret to mouthwatering skinny white chicken enchiladas. Step 1. Introduction. Indulge in the enchanting world of Mexican cuisine without guilt with our skinny white chicken enchiladas. This recipe preserves the rich, hearty flavors of traditional enchiladas while keeping calories to a minimum. Imagine tender chicken wrapped in soft tortillas, smothered in a creamy white sauce, and baked to perfection. It's a fusion of flavors that melt in your mouth. This dish is a great way to satisfy your craving for comfort food without compromising your health goals. Whether you're serving it at a family dinner or packing it for lunch, it's guaranteed to impress. Step 2. Ingredients. 1. 8 whole wheat tortillas. 2. 3 cups of cooked, shredded chicken breast. 3. 2 cups of shredded reduced fat Monterey Jack cheese. 4. 1 cup of fat-free Greek yogurt. 5. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. 6. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 7. 1 onion, finely chopped. 8. 1 jalapeno, deseeded and finely chopped. 9. Half cup of chopped fresh cilantro. 10. Salt and pepper to taste. 11. Non-stick cooking spray. Step 3 and 4, directions and how to prepare. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. Lay out the tortillas and divide the shredded chicken evenly among them. Roll each tortilla tightly and place them seam down in the baking dish. For the sauce, sauté the onion, garlic, and jalapeno in a pan over medium heat until they become translucent. Stir in the Greek yogurt, almond milk, and half of the cheese. Keep stirring until the cheese melts, and the sauce becomes smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Pour this creamy sauce evenly over the enchiladas. Sprinkle the remaining cheese on top. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and lightly browned. Garnish with fresh cilantro before serving. Step 5. Preparation time. The total time needed to prepare and cook skinny white chicken enchiladas is about 45 to 50 minutes. This includes around 20 minutes of preparation and 25 to 30 minutes of baking time. Step 6. Servings. This recipe yields 8 servings, making it ideal for family meals or meal prep for the week. Step 7. FAQs. Q. Can I use any type of milk for the sauce? A. Yes, but using unsweetened almond milk helps keep the dish light. Q. What can I use instead of Greek yogurt? A. You can use a fat-free sour cream as a substitute for Greek yogurt. Q. Can I make these enchiladas in advance? A. Yes, you can prepare them a day in advance, refrigerate them, and bake them when needed. Q. Can I freeze these enchiladas? A. Absolutely, just be sure to wrap them tightly and they can be frozen for up to 3 months. Q. Can I add more veggies to this dish? A. Of course. Bell peppers, corn, or spinach would make great additions. Step 8. Conclusion. These skinny white chicken enchiladas are more than a meal, they are an experience. Light, flavorful, and brimming with taste, they bring the best of Mexican cuisine right to your dinner table. This recipe proves that you don't have to sacrifice flavor to keep things on the healthier side. So, roll up your sleeves, preheat that oven, and get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will leave your taste buds craving more. After all, good food is more than just sustenance, it's a celebration of life and its many flavors.